going to talk about how can you find your open houses on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click on my Redfin here, just click on it. So when you just click here on my Redfin, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on open house shaded here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. In here you will find all upcoming open houses. In here can you find your past open houses. Like you see, I have nothing yet here in this list here. So but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your my red fine. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.